Thank you, John, for that call. Now we move to Bubba, who's been on the show quite often, I think, Larry. Bubba, you're on with Magic Mechanic.
Yeah, Larry.
Bubba, you're famous.
Larry.
Bubba, you're famous. You know that?
Yeah, blah, blah. How's the turkey day go? How's the family? Everybody well?
We flew up to West Virginia and spent a few days with Mom and Dad, and it was a wonderful Thanksgiving.
God bless you.
Wonderful
God
Thanksgiving.
bless you, son. And you had a winter coat on.
No, I was probably the only idiot there wearing a T-shirt.
Duh! Oh, shit. Okay. Well, but you still had the snow shovel in your hand.
No, the weather. West Virginia, Huntington, West Virginia. It was about I'm going to say we were probably about 14, 15 degrees cooler than it was here, so it really wasn't that bad. They have not had any bad weather yet, so it'd been a very mild November, so it wasn't that bad at all.
Good for you, son. Glad y'all back home safe and sound.
Thank you, Bubba.
All right, Cadillac,
All right.
2014 CTS. Not too sure about all of them numbers. And when we get done here, please put back on all your sponsors because we would support them as well.
Thank
the
you,
body
Bubba.
and fender guys. My friend's got the gas cap cover fell off the Cadillac. The hinge is still there, which opens and operates, and they can still pull that, open it, and put the gas in, or pull the gas cap. But the cover plate, kaploop,
Okay.
fell off. How can I glue that back on? Is it like a silicone and try to line it up real good with little cardboard shims or something and line it up real good? Because if it's not lined up, it doesn't. Some of them you have this little button you push inside the Cadillac on the driver's door, click, and the gas cap cover comes open.
Yeah.
But not this one.
This one, I think you push on it, and then it opens.
Bottom corner, and it's supposed to open up, but he loaned it to a guy, and the guy, I don't know, may have put a screwdriver or something, and I don't see any scratches on either piece.
Oh, wow.
It looks intact.
I think that flap on that Cadillac comes with the hinge. So if you get a new, fuel tank filler door is what they're going to call it. It should come with the hinge already attached to the door itself. And then a person just has to bolt it in, and then the latching mechanism, as long as a person knows how to use the door and push it in to open it, it should be fine. I just pulled it up, Bubba. There's a few of them on eBay. 13 to 18 Cadillac ATS sedan. There's used ones on there. If you go on to eBay.com, you probably just put in 13 to 18 Cadillac ATS fuel door, and they'll pop up. And the reason I'm telling you that is you might be able to find one exactly the same color that you need. You see what I'm saying here?
Oh, yeah, sure.
That way you don't have to take it and worry about painting it. You probably be able to find one exactly the same color that you need.
No, sir. We have the cover, and the hinge is still there. He still has to open the hinge to pull the cap and put fuel in it, and the cover is laying on the floorboard. So
Okay.
we can attach that.
Well, if the thing is, though, I think it was molded or bonded into that hinge. I don't think it bolts into it.
Yeah, no bolts. It had to be spring or plastics. Maybe some little plastics are broken that I didn't see. I guess my question is, like a heavy black silicone? Like
No.
usually
Listen,
on the
even
doors?
Bubba, if you're going to try that, send him down to the shop. If you're going to try that, send him down to the shop. I've got the absolute most durable magic stuff there ever was on this planet. and if it don't, if it does not, if it does not rebond it, it's not going to be bondable. But I'll be more than glad to try that for him. If we can bond it back on, I've got the stuff that will do it. The best stuff there is to do it. As silicone or anything like that's just a waste of time. What we have here is the actual. It's the material they use to bond plastic body panels together in a new car. When they put a brand new car together, they use this particular product to actually bond the plastic pieces together. And once it's bonded, it will not come back off. It's just not possible. You'll rip the part before you'll rip where it's actually rebonded to. So yeah, send him by, and I'll be more than glad to put a nice squirt of it on each one of the hinge areas, and we'll slap that cover back on there, and that'll probably fix it. We'll give that a shot. Thanks for your call, Bubba, as always.
Thanks.